Hey, seems like you managed to escape as well. We seem to be stranded down here right now. My mate's injured. I can't leave him behind. You should get out of the city as fast as possible. Don't stay here. The only way to get out safely is by train. Make your way to the train station as fast as you can. Spare yourself.
So why are you out on the streets? Don't you know what's going on right now?
I'm just walking home. I live in the block right here. Let me go, please.
Not so fast. I have doubts about what you said. You seem to be suspicious.
Thank you. I owe you big time. Yeah, but All these shootings, I can't take it anymore. How did our country become like this? I hope rebellion that is being formed will restore justice and peace for our country.
Team, move in. We're under heavy fire. We're under heavy fire. Can I get some fucking help over here?
Leave me alone. I don't want to get in trouble.
Take him down.
Somebody, help me!
Down. Get fuckers in my sight. I got you now, you scum.
I haven't done anything, I swear. I lived in this block for the past several years.
Shut it. You have no right to speak.
Somebody help!
Contact.
Damn, that was close. Thank you so much. Better get out of here as soon as possible. More reinforcements might arrive at any moment. Ah, damn. Completely forgot to introduce myself. Where are my manners? My name is Yan. I lived in this block for several years, but recently I was forced to move out due to, conflicts.
Targets in my sight.
See how good my aim is. Like hell, I'll never come back to this city again. Might as well have some fun while I'm here. I was hoping you'd get me out of the city, as I assume you don't want to stay here either. The train station's nearby this block, just in about 150 meters.
You may not be officially dead yet, but as of now, you're dead to me.
Got the enemy.
Tell me, what does lead taste like? Cover me. Glad to see you're thinking outside of the box.
Train's still here. Let's get on it.
Who are you? And why are you in prison outfit? You're freaking me out!
Let's get on the train. Come on! I can't believe we made it. The train said it was around the mountain range, so they're getting away.
No time to talk, Carlos. Follow that damn train.
We arrived. Now, follow me. I'll introduce you to the circle. Probably will have a lot of questions. Don't worry. Soon I will explain to you everything. Come on, let's go inside.
Yeah, you arrived earlier than we expected. Also, who is this? What is he doing here?
I ran into some issues along the way, but thanks to this guy, I'm standing here in one piece. Now, we should get going. Follow me. I should have told you earlier, but I wasn't sure if you were trustworthy. I'm a member of the Red Alliance, a resistance group that was formed some time ago. I was on an undercover mission in the capital. I can't say what the details are exactly, but all I can say is that I succeeded, and I gathered some important information that we can make good use of.
Yan, wait up! Jesus Christ, walk a little bit faster, why don't you? Oh, I just found out that you arrived. How did the mission go? Did you get the intel?
Yes, I found the exact location of one of the entrances to Dr. Gray's laboratory. And thanks to this guy, I managed to get out of the city alive. I was almost caught when he rescued me.
Yan, you are one lucky bastard!
Quit it! We don't have much time. We must assault Dr. Gray's laboratory today. Enemy forces are currently focused on maintaining the situation in the capital after the prison assault we did to distract them.
Down to business, I see. Well, do you know where the entrance to Dr. Gray's lab is located?
In a small abandoned town a few kilometers from here. The town is called Grasp. We need to get you changed. You're still in the prison outfit. Let's just say it doesn't suit you well, and you smell like shit.
Follow us! To the changing room. Get out of those clothes.
No, really, you smell like shit. Get changed.
Alright, we're here. Feel free to choose whatever you want. I'll be just outside. I'm not going to. I'm not. Ha 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 ha! Get changed. Finally. If it took any longer, my next of kin would have died of old age. Let's go see Miroslav. He's in his room.
Miroslav! How rude of you to sit there and ignore our presence. You call yourself our leader?
What is it, Jan? I am very busy right now and I still have plenty of work to do.
Well, I just returned from the task that you gave me a week ago. Don't you want to know how it went?
Alright then tell me. How did it go? Did you gather the information that we needed?
The town is called Grasklen. It's located nearby this region. And guess what? I think I found a perfect candidate to go on the assault at the entrance.
Is that so? Very well then, I will leave it all to you and Ratko. Make sure you explain everything to this new friend of ours, what his task is.
This guy, such a douche. I can't stand him sometimes. Ratko, leave him to the garage. Supply him with some equipment that he'll need. Meanwhile, I'll go take a small nap. I haven't slept in over a day, and I too smell like shit.
Take a look around the room if you need to. I'll be waiting for you outside this door. Just come down, get me whenever you want to head out. Just don't take forever this time. People are so slow nowadays. What's the deal? Alright then, let's get going. Our primary target at the moment is a man who goes by the name Dr. Gray. He's a lead scientist. He develops new technology, biological weapons. The worst of all, he makes experiments on citizens who are imprisoned and oppose the new government. That sick bastard! We must put an end to his cruel deeds and put him out of his misery. You will be going to a small abandoned town called Grasklin. It is one of the entrances to Dr. Gray's laboratory. Once you get inside the labs, find a radio communication center and send us the exact coordinates of Dr. Gray's labs. Soon after that, we will assault the labs and rescue any civilian who is still alive. We will put an end to Dr. Gray's madness. We're here. From now on, it's Marco who's going to tell you what's going on. I know you'll miss me. I'll be right over here. Marco!
I'm on my way, sir.
I think we have some business that we need to take care of. Is the vehicle ready, Marco?
Yes, sir. I cleaned it and repaired the front left wheel suspension. I hope.
Great! Use this as your primary transport to get to Grasklin. Try your best to bring it back in one piece. We don't have very many spare vehicles around. Look, do you see any spare vehicles? We only have 2 types of clothes. Do you think we have extra vehicles? Well, that's all for now. Marco, open the gate.
Yes, sir.
Well, good luck on your mission. Stay safe and remember, you've got to get to Grasklin. It's a small abandoned town, just a kilometer away from here. Take a right turn after the container storage area and you'll be there.
Hey, just a quick note before I forget. Your path lays through oppressive units, outposts, and, well, let's just say you are likely to be and you might be better off taking a more silent approach. With heavy blizzard and guards, they aren't likely to notice you. See if you can get through without unleashing hell on Earth, alright? Stay safe.
Hey, Miroslav contacted us about your arrival. We sneaked past the oppressive unit's front lines on the main road to gather intel about their outpost that lies ahead. Oh man, are we outnumbered. There are at least 25 oppressive units on the outpost up ahead, and assaulting them right now would be a death wish.
In order to get to Krasklin, your path lies through this outpost. There is a gate that is operated via 4 switches located around the outpost. You must find a way to get to all the switches and deactivate them in order to get through.
Take advantage of the snowstorm. Good luck and stay safe.
Alert. The rebels are invading the outpost.